Welcome to today's video. If you want to stay on top of your Instagram messages on PC, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the new update that makes it easier to get notified when someone sends you a message. First, open your Instagram account on your PC. If you're already logged in, that's great. If not, enter your credentials and get started. Next, look for the More icon located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This icon resembles three horizontal lines. Clicking on it will expand a menu with various options. Now you'll want to choose Settings. This is where the magic happens. Once in the Settings menu, find Notifications. Click on it to access your notification preferences. After that, you'll see an option labeled Push Notifications. Click on this to customize your notification settings further. Finally, look for the section titled Messages from Individual and Group Chats. Here, you want to select On. By doing this, you'll ensure that you receive notifications for all your messages, whether they come from individuals or group chats. And that's it. You've successfully updated your settings to get notified when someone messages you on Instagram using your PC. Now you can stay connected and never miss an important message again. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging on Instagram.